more than 500,000 people will die of cancer this year. That's over 1,500 people a day. An average of a half of men and a third of female will develop cancer throughout their lifetime. That's hard to believe, but it's true. As a child, my grandpa and my stepmom both developed cancer. My grandpa developed lung cancer, and my stepmom developed breast cancer. Sadly, my grandpa died from his cancer. Luckily, my stepmom was able to get her cancer removed. The scientists removed it from her body, and she is doing better, and she is in better shape currently. As a child, that impacted me seriously. I thought I was going to get cancer, and I was afraid of it. So I looked online, and I researched cancer. I tried to figure out how my grandpa died of cancer, and this is where I get most of my cancer knowledge from. Cancer can affect anyone, so you can gain something by listening to this speech, and you can figure out how cancer works and how you can prevent it. I will discuss what cancer is and how cancer works, and then I will discuss how cancer can be prevented. My first point I would like to discuss is how cancer works. Cancer is a condition of uncontrolled growth of division cells. As you can see from this diagram, the normal cell production develops slowly, and it just keeps developing normally. It develops because the copy of your DNA just needs to develop to get rid of the old cells and the bad cells of your body. But cancer goes this way. First, it develops a very abnormal cell, and it keeps developing that cell, and it grows into a bundle form, which is this is a tumor right here. A tumor is formed due to accumulated abnormal cells. There's two different types of tumors in the body. There's benign cancer cells and malignant cancer cells. Benign cancer cells are not as life-threatening as malignant cells. Benign cells stand in one place, and in the USA, 13,000 people die from it annually. That's not, it's bad, but it's not as bad as malignant cells. Cancer cells has killed 500,000 people in the USA annually. Malignant cells are a lot more dangerous. Malignant cells are dangerous because they don't just stand in one place. They move and they invade other organs, which damage them. Malignant cells are dangerous because they are hard to pinpoint, and they develop and they invade and they multiply very quicker than benign cells. Cancer is very dangerous considering the information I've described. The way cancer works is hard to figure out sometimes, but if you take the right precautions, you can help yourself to not become victim to cancer. So I'd like to explain the preventions you can take to keep cancer out of your life. A person can take different measures in his or her life to prevent cancer. One way is to go to a doctor and identify cancer, just like take daily precautions to keep cancer out of your life. You can get tested over every few months, or the way you want it. Another way is by lifestyle. Eating healthy, drinking lots of water, and exercise is a good thing you can do to keep to prevent cancer from your life. Eating healthy is a good thing to do because eating healthy keeps the bad chemicals from junk food out of your body and keeps it so you have normal division throughout your cells. Another way, drinking a lot of water helps you because it keeps your body hydrated and keeps things away like kidney cancer and liver cancer. Scientists have researched a bunch of things about cancer. They figure out a way to prevent it and keep it cured away from your body. Cancer is a serious disease that may be preventable and curable, but cancer divides and different types of tumors happen, but it can be prevented and it is curable. It can either be harmless, like benign, or it can be malignant, which is very dangerous and hard to cure. But there's always a way to prevent cancer. There are ways to prevent cancer, like figuring out the ways by clinical trials and by keeping a healthy lifestyle. Anyone can become victim to cancer, but if you take the right precautions in life to prevent it, we can decrease the chances of getting cancer by being informed of the disease and how to prevent it.